Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am going to show you guys how to make pasta salad. It's really delicious and easy to make. Be sure to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel so you can be part of the squad. And also let's get the video to 100 likes. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. Over here we have about 6 to 8 cups of water. I am going to let it come to a boil, then we'll add our pasta. This is the kind of pasta that I am going to use. I am using the nice and colorful one because I like the color. Make sure you guys season your water. I am seasoning my water with some, just a little, about a tablespoon of adobo seasoning and a little bit of oil because we want our pasta to be, you know, not sticky. So I am going to add about a tablespoon of oil and of course add salt to taste. I am going to add my salt right now. And this water is boiling already is because I was, you know, getting everything ready for you guys. That's why it's already boiling. I didn't have time to add the seasoning. Now that the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our pasta in there. You can basically just follow the direction on the box. We're going to cook this for about 7 minutes. Now that our pasta is ready, we're going to drain the water and we're going to mix everything together so we can make our pasta. Let's begin. Okay, we're just going to add the pasta in this bowl. This is the bowl we're going to make the salad in. It's really hot. So be careful. I let the pasta cook for about 7 minutes. First, we're going to add our chopped red bell pepper and green bell peppers in there. I like to chop them really tiny, really small, as you guys can see. So we're just gonna add that in there. And the red bell pepper is going to give it a nice flavor and a nice color. The color looks so beautiful. Next, we have here our chopped onions. And here I am going to add some sweet kernel corns in there. Oh, this looks so good. Okay. Now I am about to add about a tablespoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of black ground pepper, and next we're going to add our mayonnaise. Now you need a lot of mayo in there. And you can always add more as you go. So that's enough for now. If I need to add more, this is about 1/3 cup, not sure. You can add more as you go. Now to spice things up, I like to add some Thousand Island dressing in there. Okay, we're going to add that in there. This is going to make it super yummy. Good amount. Now I am going to stir everything together. Before I add my salt, I am going to make sure I taste it before I add the salt in. Ooh, that looks really good. It smells good too. Make sure you mix it really well. Ooh, that looks good. It looks like it has enough mayo. Let me give it a quick taste just to see if my salt is perfect in there. It's really good. Oh my gosh. Oh geez. It's really good. I don't think I need, maybe like a pinch of salt. I don't think I need salt anymore. Maybe a pinch of salt should do. A little pinch of salt. But it is done, you guys. It's so good. It's really good. I love it. And let me know down below if you guys like these type of videos better, so I can start making them for you guys, and also suggest recipes down below. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next down below, and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss our videos. It's really good. I like it. It's really good. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Make sure you like the video. Let's get it to 100 likes, and I'll see you guys on my next video very soon. You guys can have the last bite. Bye.